Hello. Hey, how you doing? Frankie. All is well.
Yeah, being around the life is strength on, you know, and just enjoying it, you know.
Enjoying it.
Everything Chris.
Whoa. You might enjoy it.
Yeah, man, trust me.
Well, me and my partner, you know, go up and go buy one. Some feet, you know, car.
Get me around everywhere, you know.
Yeah, I bring him round and round, hundreds of pictures,
When there?
Well, I tell the genius. Look, nice, Dean, man. Come in.
Frank. Chinaman, I show you.
What do you think when you D-Man when they give it again, I should over somebody? Chapati. Like, you know, you supposed to give it now. I don't remember any name, but go watch it on YouTube, they try them. Come thing like, it come like pudding. Where you use a dip it.
You dip it so you have the gun.
I use a finger and dip it and come so.
But I know them use and make it cassava.
I'm from West Africa, so D-Man going from East, so yeah, we got different culture, you know.
West, yeah.
We eat food. They eat garlic.
Yeah.
Garlic.
Yeah,
the garlic name, so we mix up and...
No, the ugali and the cornmeal.
Cornmeal.
Yeah, we them want a fufu.
We got fufu, it's a cassava and plantain together.
I talk a fufu.
Cassava.
A fufu name.
That's a cassava and plantain, but we got that ugali too, but we call it banku.
Eh?
Banku. Yeah, the cornmeal thing, we call it banku.
I like you also use a finger and take it up and...
Yeah, man, with the okra soup and that.
Yeah, man. Watch African thing them enough, you know, you see?
Yeah, man. Enough love, man.
You know, I love when time you have some explorer going to the village them, the tribe them, and they record it, you know? And see how them live and how them eat and I love that thing there.
You know, because we have a lot of jungle there, you know, so like, you know, it's more farming style there, you know?
Yeah.
But a city, it's a city, right?
I say good man, you see?
Same thing, like, I'm going to praise us, you alright?
Yes, Frankie. You say enjoying Jamaica.
You know?
Loving it.
We live in Jamaica and we loving it, you know, so we want to come down to Jamaica, just see the man, the Kino. Yeah, man, I'm live here, you know, in Trenchtown.
Yes, guys, so you see Frankie's enjoying himself here in Trenchtown.
Everything, man.
Yeah.
You know? I'm the worship here and I'm enjoying it.
Bro, you're the worship up my worship show the old place.
They see Frank, you know. You know, with them white girl them in England and them all see Frank in Jamaica. It's like, I could have been here too, though.
Yeah, man, we should bring him on.
Yeah, man, them see, they say, wow, that's true, that's real. Because when I went to the cultural center, the Jamaican Bob Marley Museum there, right?
Alright, I'm going to go in the culture and my girl, I say, all of them protect
I can do that tomorrow, man. I can do that tomorrow.
20 US. Actually, now 20 US, I'm going to cheat over. Some of the time, no, wait till Tino come here and
you can just walk in there in the office.
No, because a while ago, a whole white people in there and them there, they serious. Some of them watch you, you see?
Yeah, I went in there yesterday though, I went in there but...
All the way I'm get for going there, unless somebody not there. Because yesterday we go pass through there and I look at the culture yard, we don't see the body. And come like after that, he must go down there, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man, so
she want 20
brother Kino, you know.
Yeah, man, so
and if you still want to go down there,
I'm gonna go check that area over Elcha today.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yes, guys, so well, so I'm back here in Trenchtown today. Yeah, we have Frankie here. Frankie is loving it in Trenchtown, you know. Loving the Trenchtown experience, you know, and the worship being up and down, you know, because I wasn't here earlier, so my worship was up and down. So today we're gonna bring him around, so we're gonna be about giving out some donations, so you'll be with me rolling around in Trenchtown. And I think I might go see Daddy Irie as well too. So I'm going to see Daddy Irie, so I might take him out by Elcha as well to see Daddy Irie. So yeah, man, he's having a wonderful time here, you know. So give thanks. I remember, put the thumbs up if you're watching. put the thumbs up, you know, put the thumbs up. Remember, don't forget to put the thumbs up when you're watching Kina Live in Jamaica. Your boy Kina speaking. Remember, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. You know, let's help this program grow. You know, the kids and they play football. Frankie,
You know. I was watching the video when you tell people when you give them the football, you have to juggle card.
yeah.
In Ghana we call it tutas, you know.
They call it tutas.
Yeah, but when you say when you give them the football, it's
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Natural is on it. Like Sonic. Yeah. Grinding slow but grinding still.
Yeah man, always our
That
job.
is it. So I'm going to come here and know the tile never done. So now you do this
Yeah
one
man,
yesterday.
yeah man, yesterday I pushed through this yesterday man.
Nice. Nah, like.
Me love it too.
Yeah man, I like it.
Tell her
man,
come on,
nice.
nice.
Neat.
Nice and neat man, so.
Yeah, grinding slow but grinding still. Natural is on it. I like to do the wall still.
Yeah man,
Yeah,
oh,
okay.
look up.
Style, you know?
I'm
Get an
finished
image.
man. I'm finished with the dress look up at Essa. Carry it out, no?
Sure. Natural, that is best. No man, this inspire me now, but I want to tile mine too.
Yeah man, the outside, you know, this is a nice thing.
Yes,
So you see the water now is on the beat now. The water, now you can't run and go away. You get a fall as the water goes
Oh,
from
go through the wall.
Yeah, go way pole and shoot.
Okay.
Set out way pole.
Right through and go outside.
Yeah, run up outside.
The water run out from this way.
It fall back every day and go away to us. Yeah,
So that's the fog out that way.
Yeah,
Natural, that is best. People, man,
Love the
this.
tile, you know.
Well, I like it, man.
Love it, man.
Like it, man. Nah,
Just
like
come out the right flavour.
So you got up on the step too? Or the
No. Why am I not put on step and step? I'll do a non-skin. When rain fall and water catch it, still slide off it. So I just dress it as it is. Like how this dress.
Yeah. Like a
Same,
shower
same
line.
so I dress it.
Yeah. Get a shower line look.
So you can paint ears at the step, but you can't paint ears. So. You can paint ears, so. Or you walk on. The best thing to walk on natural concrete.
Natural, true. Because you don't have a slick put on them skates that one, because you strip them as well is the tricky part, you know. You never know when you can step on the strip.
This be the weight, you know. Here one. When you see here, so the tile itself, and this keep the tile itself, that's it not damage, you know. And I'll cut up, because if you drop a natural tile, chop you up, you know.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, man, so this is the key, man.
Yeah, it was worth it.
Yeah, whole thing.
Yes, guys, you see,
That's
natural
nice,
is
you know.
always on it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm telling you, we have to always give thanks to them and give us a time because that man we're really busy. And every time I see this man, he never work. Lucky sometimes I come see him gone elsewhere gone work. That man where him list also, you know. Also, a lot of people call me and say, "Kina, want natural to do some work." And natural turn on so much work, you know, so much. I'm telling you, and I'm still a turn on same because he have so much to do. Because I always say he was doing a lot of work before, and then the mother they pass away, and I put a lot of work on pause, you know. So then try to finish off. Mr. a project, and then put a lot of work on pause. So now I try to finish off what he can do. For the time being, so really appreciate any time we can get from him, you know. So whenever I'm free again, you know, he will give us a day we can go and finish off, scan a place and put in some work. Yeah, so this is what he's doing now, as you can see. This is what he's doing now. So this is where I'm literally just finished, you know. So here you have the kitchen as well too. This is the kitchen. And it is where you put the cylinder, right?
Yeah.
For your cylinder. And look for the painting as well too, as you can see, natural done everything. The painting, the tiling,
everything.
from electrical to the plumbing, to the painting, to the tiling, the window them gone in and everything. And this is the up part now.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is all natural handwork. All natural handwork. You see why the man is busy? So when people see the natural work, them always want to become work. And they install AC as well too.
So everything in. Electrical work, everything in.
Everything is in.
Everything.
I like this too, the counter at the middle. You see me? The counter at the middle. So there no she not for buying a table. You know, it's
well built.
It's the island where everything is well built here by natural himself. Well talented. So once you know natural enough for call no, the plumber enough for call no, tiler enough for call no, electrician, you don't have to call none of them because natural does it all. You know, and we like it people, so this is it. You know. Where you call a roofing again?
Teardrops.
Teardrops. So you see, the ceiling, the roofing is crying. Pure teardrops.
I'm a spray, I have a spray.
Oh, yeah, so when you paint, you have a spray.
No, not paint, I spray.
Spray.
Spray gun and spray this.
Spray.
Yeah, spray.
Because you could have paint, because the pint them with that drop, the pint them with that break.
Spray.
Love it, man. I like the color, man. I like it, man. I like it.
Mango and the next one. Pumpkin or something like that.
Mango and pumpkin.
Yeah.
So in here, so it's very fruitful.
Nice one.
It's very fruitful.
So now come to a completion as far as
yes, so far it's coming to a completion. This is coming outside now.
Put in.
Stepping outside, as you can see, guys, all natural, you know.
Yeah.
So as I said, natural is a really busy man. So whenever we get some free time from him, we can run through and this kind of, you know, a quick finish off and things. So we always have given him time because he gave us a lot of time. I really appreciate his time that he gave us. You know, but now we have to appreciate the man have to finish off his work what he's been doing because remember, when people are watching and see my work and I say, yo, half of them work can get done, you know, well, go on, way. So he have to go and finish off his work. So you know, it goes already. I will give thanks. You know, very talented man. He built all of this from downstairs, you know, come all the way upstairs. You know, this is all natural handiwork. So stay tuned, you know, so today now we're going to give us some donation and I want to head to see Daddy area as well too. So I'm going to try and speed it up and see what I can get done today. Okay, no boy, time been moving so fast, so we have to be grinding with the time right now. Because remember, time ain't waiting and nobody in this physical time. You see, the physical time, got no patience for no one, so you have to keep up with it. So that is it.
What is it? If she hear me, she not go around.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, you can't listen to her, Sister Jun. Zigzag. Left and right, up and down, all about. So she have to hear you, right?
To go straight.
To go straight. Yeah, man, so you have to teach her to go straight. So how's everything?
Hi, thank God I'm out of the hospital.
Yeah.
Because of the fluid in the
fluid.
Yeah. In the lungs.
I would glad to say everything is alright. The Almighty see you through.
Yes, you know? Thank God, you know, because God is my doctor and prayer is my medicine.
Well, I'm here. The Lord sent me your direction with a donation here for you.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, God is good.
All the time, you know. And it's not the first time this lady is donating to your GG.
Yes, I heard her name already. Yes.
So $7,000 a year for you.
What?
Yes, from GG, from the USA.
Oh, hello, my dear Sister Gigi. God bless you. God, oh my God, I got it. It's coming time. It's coming in time.
Right in time.
Right in time.
I always say the Lord move in time.
Yes. Right? What a lovely lady.
Yes, and Christmas season.
Yes.
Festive.
Yeah. And a lot of people don't give money when Christmas season because they don't want to spend. I'll give nobody anything. Everything them all on themselves. But praise the Lord for Sister Gigi.
Yes.
One day I will have to meet you, you know, face to face.
Definitely. Definitely.
So please come to Jamaica. Yes, because I have a visa, but I'm not going to America for now.
Yeah.
Because I don't know, but anyway, the Lord know everything. Yeah, the Lord everything. So Sister GC, I want you to come to Jamaica.
She can come to church.
And come to church, yes.
So she better prepare to come to church.
You have to prepare to come to church. That's it.
That is
Oh
it.
yes, thank the Lord and bless you, Sister Gigi. Bless your family.
Yes.
Yeah, may the good Lord have mercy upon you and give you a long life.
Yes.
Yes, and prosperity.
Thank you.
So I'm looking out for you in Jamaica. If I live to see 2024.
You will live to see. You will definitely live to see, man.
Yes.
So Esther, I look upon you like, yeah, say.
Esther, she don't know what I Yes, man. Thank you very much. And Kino, boy, every time I have to repeat this thing, If it was you, we wouldn't know about Sister Gigi and those lot of nice people,
Trust. Give the glory to them.
Family. We wouldn't know them. Because of you who come to Jamaica, the Lord know why He send you here.
Yes.
For a reason. Yes, that He can help out people. The amount of people you see you guys help out. Esther come down to the hospital and me somebody say, Esther! So I say, Esther, you know me, sister, no? The cleanup program. The cleanup program.
Poor Esther when I used to come outside.
Yeah. The one that know. Yeah, the world know Esther. My God. Because she always indoor with me. Indoor. That's how I grow. So Esther, they grow indoor.
Not outdoor. Could I say Esther, look over the wall.
Thank you.
Take care.
Yes. Take care of yourself,
Yeah, man, I will.
Yes, I want something good to happen to you.
Yes, it will happen.
Okay. Then when him never say Kina could I sing with the pot.
Oh.
I sing that.
It's like she better can
Mom
cook.
make a public apology to me.
She better can cook. Can you buy a pot for your look?
Yeah.
You're not going to leave a restaurant and done a bank book.
The pot souvenir.
Where the pot there?
I don't know with my pot there.
No, Mr. Kina the first one going to cook.
I mean, we're cooking it first.
Yeah, the first one I will cook. No, sir. And then she just laugh.
And I sing too.
Yeah.
No, Kina teach her the song.
Yeah, teach her the song. She learn it.
Yeah, she
But
is.
she has sing the song in English. And a patois song.
So yeah, she is it now.
She's in sentence.
She's still at the tree house.
He's at the
You
tree
go
house.
to the tree house?
When we are coming, tell us something I know, cause you know.
So the 14 parishes, you guys.
Not yet. We have we're gonna go St. yet. We're gonna go Westmoreland yet. Big Red.
Okay, so how many parishes 3 left?
Yeah. How much parish we gonna go? But I think go pass through most of them.
Okay, yeah, you can have the border.
Yeah, so we pass through them whenever they stay and then so
I
guess when I stay at St. Mary still, we never stay at St. Mary yet. We never stay at Trelawney. We drive through them.
Look how old I am and I don't know a little part of Clarendon and St. Thomas.
That is it.
We don't stay long there though.
You
That's
know
busy.
Portland, because this is my father.
And let me tell you,
But I never stay there. We don't go there.
congratulate. You get to know all the parishes. Look how old I am. All the Kingston.
All the kids does.
Yes.
Well, I give thanks. Maybe if they never come, I probably will stay another one I know. But that's what the Lord does say, it's time for you to do
We're
this.
outgoing, so.
So.
Oh, Hina, do you know that it's the Lord send you back in Chenstown? Okay.
Only him could do that.
Only him could do that. Yeah. The first time, I never know it was you when you said Sister Jun.
When you go to church?
When I was going to church, I never know it was you.
You never recognize me though?
No. I said, what?
Yeah, show Mama the video.
Yeah. No, man, that well. I know him and say, you know, no far him and say,
yes,
Africa,
that's
I say, go and look and come back.
Yes.
When I go to Africa, I make sure I take off my shoes and walk barefoot.
I
It's not all part of Africa. You have some of them.
No, me
playlists, you know?
want to make my foot touch the soil.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't say that's where the generation coming from, you know?
Oh, the mother country.
Yes, the mother country. So we're going to take a look and walk the effort, you know, over there and come back.
That is true. Boy, Tina, we have to go on in because you and Dean, because you have to close to her because the girls, your mother will take you away, you know?
Yes, that she'll tell me.
Oh, Teresa.
Dia tell me, say, Kino, the girls, I'm going to try to take you away so she'll get security for me.
Are you?
Yes.
Yeah, they're going to take you away, Tina. So
that's
only
security.
time, only Dean alone will come back.
I will be coming back for sure. Alright then, yeah?
Yes, Dad.
Alright, then, Esther, go check.
I'm gonna try and get
Kina, now watch you, look if you come to church, you know.
I will, man, definitely. Yes, guys, so we give thanks for that donation from Gigi for Sister Jun. I want to thank her so much, you know. Thank you so much, Gigi, for the donation. Yeah, I want to thank you so much, Gigi, for the donation for Sister Jun. You know, it's a blessing. I will thank you so much, Gigi, you know, for blessing Sister Jun, which is Esther, man, because you know she just came out of the hospital as well too because of them said it was fluid. You know, stroke built up inside because they wasn't giving her any oxygen and stuff by the hospital, you know, because she have to dialysis. Yeah, man. So I want to thank you so much, you know. Blessings and thank you. So we're here back on the journey, you know. So we have Browning. We have younger Dennis. Huh? Right, Tashika. Oh, it's alright, Tashika. Brown Tashika. So we have. So we have brown. Eh? So we have brown Tashika. So we have younger Dennis' daughter. This is younger Dennis' daughter. Younger Dennis is not here, so. We have Gigi that sent a donation for younger Dennis' daughter, the baby. So which is what the baby name? Aiden. So people, younger Dennis turned granny, you know. You see her? She's no older Dennis. So she turned grandma right now. So this is her daughter of a young baby. Yeah. So we have $8,000 a year, not for you but for the baby.
Yeah.
No, I'm the in-house leave.
Okay.
I was the baby then.
Okay.
So you have to wait till the baby grow up before the baby can spend it, right?
Yeah. She said she will keep it for the baby.
Alright, so I'm joking. So you have $8,000 a year for you? From Gigi.
Okay, thanks Gigi for this for my baby. I really appreciate it.
So shy. Why Dennis, Dennis, where are you, Dennis? Younger Dennis, where are you? You should be talking for her. Because oh, Dennis not shy and you shy.
No, because me and I are two different persons.
Two different persons. I know that. You should get that. You should get the rounds from her.
No, sir.
Alright then, so we'll give thanks to Gigi. You know, thank you so much for the donation for Sister Jun and also for Browning, which is she don't name Browning anymore, she name Tashika. Tashika. So this is Browning Tashika. Right here, so younger Dennis' daughter. Alright then, so we'll give thanks. So I'll go up the line, I'll stretch for the donation some more. So come Esther. Rasta Jackson, prefect in the building. Vampire did it though? Yeah. I'll go by the link into. All is well. Why? All is well. Holiday. Yeah. Where's the bump on the North Course?
Yeah.
Living the life.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, Messi. Living the life. North Course style, who say? Big up yourself. I'll give up some donation and give out here now, you know. So I'll go for Vampire, Mother Teresa. I'm gonna shot go over go link daddy area of film side there as well too. So I'm gonna bring Frank as well too. Oh, Frank gone rest up. Tired out.
Sun, you know?
The sun has beat him out. Hey, so I walk go up here so whoa! Yeah man, so We give thanks, we give thanks.
When I put on the program, they must be making toes 8 years so I can't get it. Toes I'm making 8 years I can't get it.
8 years now. And don't even know me for 8 years. Imagine that. What am I fix the Wi-Fi?
Yes.
Now work. Okay. Can I go up on the house top, man? Okay. Whoa! Eh?
Max daw na that side is not turning it now.
I tell you, Max I walk in here my back now look, he look like him and say, where's Max? Max in the here star. Anytime we have a walk, if you see a dog, if you see something, a Max that remind me of walk one. Officer, you carrying yourself yet, officer?
Same time I'm telling you.
Yeah. We want to arrest him. Yes guys, so we're there at Mother Teresa Foundation. You know, this is what Mother Teresa been going on with. You know, she been putting out some work. And so she been in a stall because of lack of donation to help out our situation. So this is how it is right now. Esther, come. Well, this time I'm going to go up this ladder because this is how she have to enter the house on a ladder. Alright, so this is evidence I'm going up Mother Teresa step. So if I drop, you know what time it is. I saw the ladder.
You have to pay for the drop. Yeah, Mother Teresa.
And you did it.
Me? The same thing?
What I tell you, say, look people,
Yeah.
evidence, this is not good. You see? I come dry with a rake. Could have be shit, could have worse. This can't firm, man. This can't go that good.
Oh, them band to put the band.
Yeah. Right, Mother Teresa. Oh yeah, Bilan. Yeah, Bilan.
So the youth do some more work that we just want
So we here now, we here with Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa put in some work on the fair side around here. Just like we have Talpi put in some work, Bibi put in work on Fuden side, Light Parks put in work, so members and I try to help themselves, and you smile while put in work too, right?
Yeah.
See there, so everybody I try because dream team I build up everywhere, so and they make an effort to help out themselves. You know, and
Take a block the street down, then it's park up from
so it's a Mother Teresa place, right? And as I can see, and as we can know, Mother Teresa saved our donation which she received from the extended family, and she decided to start our mission. So basically Mother Teresa also, this is how you...
This is the kitchen, I tear it down. Because the board then they get damaged, so I tear it down and carry everything, toilet and bathroom under one. Everything. So you can see so they kind of rotten on it.
Yes, so them give you as well. So eventually you have to go lick down this too and black it.
Yes, then I black because one time gunshot they come through and go in the barrier so.
Some shot fly through the barrier?
Then come through the fence, same as me I step up, me have to run back in the house so I black right to see my concrete go straight down.
Now we got Mother Teresa And this is the first we actually have come on and highlight Mother Teresa place. You know, as you can see, we highlight a couple of the members and already. You know, we already know about the Wow Chef. You know, about Light Parks are putting in work, and Diddy also as well are putting in work. So this is Mother Teresa's spot. So basically, you know, so you have a room where you live with your son, right?
Yeah.
And so as you can see, Trenchtown with a lot of things in Trenchtown as we all can see. So she try to make a difference. So this is what she done with the money. Donation that she get, and she buy her steels and everything. Right, and this is Mother Teresa. You know, so the Mother Teresa made a donation. A donation from the overcomers. As I say, they explain the situation, and them say they want to be the first to start, and they want the first to give you a contribution towards your expedition, you know, on your journey. So I got $25,000 for you from the overcomers, you know, and building your foundation. So this is 25,000 from the overcomers.
10, 20, 25. Thank you, overcomers. Many blessings, many grateful. Thank you. That's a my journey, and you see what I'm doing. I see all of my donation, whatever I get, I save it, and I eat food with some, but I don't do the whole in food. So thank you, all my families,
extended
family. Thank you so very much. Oliver and Carla, big up on yourself. Happy thanks with love.
Yeah, man. So as you can see, this is Mother Teresa project that she's doing, and she's been helping herself, you know, from the donation that she received, and giving herself a helping hand. So this is Mother Teresa on her journey. I know, as I say, no matter how small it is, you know, and so you can reach out and give a helping hand. I know this is Mother Teresa, you know, no matter how small. So Mother Teresa, I want to have an envelope here for you. And this is from 7 Love Stars.
7 Love Style family. Thank you for what you have done for me. Thank you very much, all our family. One love, dream team. One team.
Alright, so that is from 7 Love family from the USA. You know, we give thanks every time. We thank you for that envelope for Mother Teresa. So as I say, 7 Love family also heard about Mother Teresa's situation, and he sent an envelope. I will give thanks as well too. Thank you for the love, you know, because we're not all extended family. So we give thanks for the support for Mother Teresa. So we are continuing the journey, and Mother Teresa, if anything's up, so wait, outside the bed, Mother Teresa.
Yeah, because it's the part of, you know, but you want the space, just tear it down and just use it same way. Because nobody not really come in there.
So
everything.
And so the outside tile is basically oh, it's still you, see me?
Yeah, fashion beats here.
So when this are rain and I can't come outside then. So this is how it is. This is how Mother Teresa living, you know, this is how it is in Trenchtown. So this is why I say each and every one is trying to make the best of their life, as I can see the situation, or people are still living in this modern times same way. You know, I will give thanks to the extended family, because when you only don't know anyone here from Trenchtown, most likely, and I always reach out because when you can see the need. I will thank you so much for the support, because when you can see Mother Teresa need, this is where Mother Teresa shower, this is Mother Teresa toilet, and this is actually outside Mother Teresa house. So she been on the program, and never yet hear Mother Teresa ask for any form of support for anything, you know. Yeah, and she put out her best, and any donation that she gets, she always put it aside, and this is what she been doing. She buy her blocks and she buy her steel, you know, without asking even me, you know. So this is me, you know, reaching out and showing what's going on. with Mother Teresa, you know, cause this is Mother Teresa. She been here, you know, from the starting. She been there. She's still here. You know, she's still here.
No complaining, just do the good work, same
here. And you wouldn't know that Mother Teresa is literally using her outside tile without no roofing, you know, a shower without a proper piping, you know, a house that's falling apart, as they can see, you know, as they can see, but everything falling apart here. So, yeah, man, so I ask the Almighty, you know, to reach out and touch our extended family, you know. Some partner them arc with them you can't lose, you know. I know it's rough over there. It's very rough. And this is a situation we gotta take our time, and no matter how small we get Mother Teresa, you just put it to use and we put it down like what you've been doing that, so you know you'll continue to do the same. Alright, so we give thanks to the extended family out there. So we'll continue the journey. So we keep them up to date and then we'll continue see your journey and see your progress.
Thank you very much.
So that's Yes. So, yes, guys. So we're here at Mother Teresa home. Cause this is where she's living. So she's been doing some extension, you know.
I wish I didn't do what I was.
Yeah. So imagine coming up these stairs every day like that.
You're supposed to fit.
Okay, so guys, so this is our situation now, and as I say, I was trying to get some donation for her to help us so she can finish our decking as well too, you know, for the roofing and for tiling out as well too. So as you can see, everything been on pause because of lack of funding, you know. So as you see, there's no roofing, so whenever it rains, the rain goes straight inside. So right there is the entrance to go inside the house. So it's all exposed. So out here is already have some decking already. Get done, but there's other work to get done. So liquor. You said I gotta expand this.
Yeah, but you he might do some work. So he might tear down his some put it out here. This is liquor, that me tell you.
Okay, so okay, so basically the builder is gonna get rid of this wall here, you know, because you can see the bathroom here. Bathroom and toilet is very, very small, so it wouldn't be no space for the bathroom and for the toilet. So what's gonna happen? They're gonna get rid of this and this, you know, and that right there, so they can bring the wall come out. Yeah. So basically I must get rid of that and get rid of them blocks. So when black you're gonna end up waste because this I forgot lit down. So this is gonna be you have some black? Okay, so sure. So the black will come right here, so it's gonna be a bit more wider. So alright then, so with that said and done, we have some donation to help out the situation. You know, I'm so guys, if anyone watching, you know, can help out the situation, no matter how small it is. Because basically she want to get the decking done. You know, so even though it's not a big part of the decking, you know, and the builder tell you how much cement you go on, how much sand and gravel, right?
When you do it back here, so can you buy 4 yards of cement, sand, and 8 bags of cement, and 16 steel. We can complete it.
Okay. And then I'll already get some donation towards where you put aside already, right? Yeah. Alright then, so with that then we still have something where you can put aside. Same way, you know, so you have $5,000 a year for you. As well from Wanda from California. So this is $5,000 a year for you from Wanda from California.
Thank you, Wanda from California. Hope the Lord bless you and keep you. I hope the food basket never empty. Have a happy New Year's when you come here, your family.
Okay. I also have $5,000 again here for you from Daniela from the USA.
Thank you, Miss Daniela from the USA. Thank you very much. It can go towards everything what I have here now, as what you're seeing. You don't see it yet, but you will see it in time. Happy New Year's when it comes. You and your family, oh God, Father God bless each and everyone who are in me now.
Alright, then now I also have a donation here, you know, from someone on the outside looking in, you know, who you know is Mac's mommy. Max is eternal love, and you have to big up the whole family as well, to Rochelle, big up yourself as well too. So we have 500 US here for you, you know, and she said with this now, because she was always having herself to help you out to the bathroom. Right, so she's sending this now for you to buy a tile and stuff. So when you do that, anything left over, you can put it towards to do your decking and buy the sand and the gravel. Right, so she said she always wants to help you to finish out your bathroom. So this is 500 US here from someone on the outside looking in, which is Mac's mommy, you know, to help out with the bathroom, you know, for the tiling and everything. So here you go, this is 500 US, so count it, so it's 5.
Thank you, someone on the outside looking in. Max and Mommy and Michelle, thank you very much. I appreciate it a lot. Love you guys. Love all of who helped me so far. Thank you from the first help. But I'm so it go. So God bless and keep everyone at Uno. All of my extended family. God reach out and touch you. That's not me alone. Someone else. God bless you.
Alright, so we'll give thanks for someone on the outside looking in, for helping out Mother Teresa in our bathroom, for the tiling, you know, and everything. So when she buy the tile and everything, at least know what left over you can use and buy sand and gravel or whatsoever. So guys, so this is the deck that's going to need to get done, as you can see, you know. She's using chopper to stop whenever it's rain, but you know, rain and sun damage it now, it's so you can see, you know. So this is the situation. So whenever it rain, you know, water goes straight inside the house, because as you can see there's no roofing. So it's been stalled because of donation problem of our funding. So I want to thank you so much if you want to help out Mother Teresa. As you can see, the previous video of where she's coming from to where she is now. I really appreciate all the help that we get from our extended family. So guys, so we're thanking you so much. So we're going to move on to the next, you know, because the journey have to continue. So Mother Teresa, you want to look here, see me, you know, in due time everything will come how it's supposed to get done, you know. So just want to get here to see me.
Nothing done before the time.
Alright then, so going down this step.
Going down.
The danger step.
Let's start it, the camera.
You know what I'm saying? I cannot injure myself. If I injure myself, there's no more program for go on. And the people don't want that. You know? Me injure, I can't do nothing. Now we're going to push me around.
Push around and then you still a video.
Giving out the donation them same way.
Yeah, look how we push you.
Imagine doing this every day. So we're going to head over to Father for the year. Go over Father for the year. Rasta Jackson, you know it goes, man. I'm free if I can go and chat it on. So I go over Father for the year. Father for the year! Not for the months and for the years. Church town, as you can see, people are trying to develop, are trying to help themselves, people. You know. Back in the days when I was younger, I could have walked all the way and go that way, walk this way, but people are built up, you know. People trying to elevate themselves, trying to get rid of all these zinc fences, as you can see how close it is. Rasta Jacks is a slim man, I'm afraid to turn sideways for come through right here, so just imagine that. Just imagine. Yeah, so once more again we're inside Bob Marley first yard. This is where Bob Marley was living before. That's Bob Marley building right there. That's where Bob Marley was living before. So we're here again in Bob Marley yard to come see Shanette dad, you know, Vamps. Shannon father, father for the year. Got a donation here for him. So we can just move on to the next. So we got some donation to give out, and I want to head to Elsha to go and see Daddy Irie. So on the journey now we're gonna pick up Frank. Cause Frank was up here and then Frank went down to get some rest, Cause Frank been up early walking up and down in Trenchtown. So we're gonna do this and then move on to the next. Where am there? Okay. So this is where Bob Marley was first living when he came to Trenchtown as a juvenile. This was Bob Marley building. And then from there he went to First Street, where them have the Trenchtown Culture Yard. So it's so long these buildings, these are the first set of buildings inside of Trenchtown. And as you can see the state of it, the condition of it from then till now. So look. So imagine these steps have some proper board steps as well too. For you to go up these steps, shaky. So over years where Bob Marley was living on this block. So this is the one that catch a fire and burn down, so they might keep it, legacy. I don't know what they're gonna do with it, but I think they're gonna refurbish it for tourist attraction. So let's see. So this is where them sing, Bob Marley sing above. Very cool, imagine this here. Very, very cool. Father for the year. Yes. Yes, all is well. Hello. How are you doing? Fine. Yeah. Are you washing? You washing?
Yes.
See, I should have brought my clothes as well for you to wash it. Why I wasn't thinking. Hello, Ben. High five. High five. What are you doing, Ben?
Doing
Are you washing? Oh, Lily.
Yeah.
Oh, I think are you. Really? So I thought you were washing. You tricked me. You're helping Lily?
Yes.
Okay. How was your Christmas?
Fine, but I didn't get to do anything, so I just played my own thing.
Of course, as
Played
usual.
it own way.
You always do it your way, the Shannon way, right?
Yes. I play hide and seek with Ben sometime. When I feel kind of down, I don't really want to talk to no one.
See, have it your way, right? And having fun with your tablet.
Yes.
See? And you're happy. So that was a Merry Christmas there for you. And Daddy cooking chicken.
I don't feel like I want to eat the chicken anymore.
You don't want chicken anymore?
No.
You have enough chicken?
Why should I eat chicken, no?
Chicken again? What else you want to eat then?
You know that chicken have some poison inside of them,
Chicken have some poison inside of them?
Yes, maybe chicken don't feel good and they have green thing over them. I want to be poisoning the people and turn them into zombie. I don't want to turn into a zombie, I want to live my own way.
So you want to be a vegetarian then?
Yes.
Yes?
I love to eat potato, that means I love to eat layers because it's very good for me.
Okay, so Vams, you hear that? She go and be vegetarian now because as what you said, the chicken them as well to having a lot of chemical in them for chew.
You see, I be a popcho and cabbage and carrot.
See that, man, tell you that, right? She not too full of chicken. It's good, because trust me.
I want to be eating chicken food. No. What if the chicken step in something?
They say you're not eating your chicken food, come.
No, what if the chicken dog poop?
Okay.
Cake.
I give a cake. Good man, the L2 way. No chicken. It's good. Well, I'm there past 3 now. I have a donation for you. I have another USA for you. You know. People them keep looking out for the father for the year, you know. So I have 100 USA for you. From Susie from Diamond Town. Who live in the USA. Sent 100 US for the father for the year. See there. Susie from Diamond Town.
Susie from Diamond Town. Bless her. And big up for the New Year's, yeah? And give thanks for this year, you know? Give thanks for the 100 year. You know, so blessed New Year's straight to her, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Susie, big up yourself, see you, yeah?
Yeah, man, sir.
She said, yeah, look out for the father for the year.
Yes, sir.
Bless up yourself, please. You see?
So that is Susie from Diamond Town who live in the USA, you know, giving a helping hand to help out the man father for the year himself, you know, looking out for him kids then, you know, we give thanks. And so continue the right work, see him here? Because if you wasn't doing the right thing,
oh, I'm gonna get much support.
No, from Shannon days.
You know, if it's a people out there, people see my needs. See, when time I just go through it. Yeah, you see it, you know,
yeah.
I mean, well, one the operation.
And
it's done.
And done.
People still say, yeah.
Remember one time I said to you, say, for no worry, man. A time I come, when I say, Keeney, remember one time we just start and say we want to get the operation done. Yeah. And look where we are now. Operation done and gone and really up and strong now. You know? Yes, look at us now. We're gone past a case a long time. Lily's up and running. Shani, I mean, is up and running from then time till now.
Love climb and all them sitting there.
Exactly.
Sometimes I have to just I'm not there, she's up on her work, but I'm there, I have to watch her.
See, man.
She's still a buyer and I need them.
Okay. You know, man, iron in her knee, same way, right?
Pin in her knee, I want iron in her knee.
Oh, pin and iron, same. Yeah. So she have to not do too much heckling.
No, she really touch the bar. She bunks them, she bar.
Okay.
You don't like that flesh them there,
yeah. So she have to always less movements, be more still. You know,
she
yeah, man. So you have something to say to your friends and your families?
Yes. Always be safe because those chickens gonna hurt you. Maybe they have poison in there, but why those people are scamming you? God work hard to appreciate your love. Be safe.
Be safe. So she's warning you about the chicken that you're eating. Say there's maybe poison in them because she don't eat chicken. So she's just warning you. So imagine that. Yeah. She's what, 9?
Yeah.
And she's telling you about the poisonous chicken with the bag of chemical them put inside them. And so she only eat callaloo and popcho and sweet potato and cabbage, right?
Yes, because those always give you the strength.
Okay, you see? And she said she don't eat the chicken foot because maybe the chicken foot step in what? Dog poop?
Poop, yes.
Okay. Alright then, Shana, take care, yeah?
Yes.
Have a happy new year. Father for the year. Big up and go and do the right thing. Esther. Esther, yeah, no more eating after chicken.
Can it buy? Must stop eating chicken and that chance?
Yeah. That is it. Jackson. Ready now. That's it, that's your stray. Coming, Jackson, that's your stray. What that you do over here? Smells. Moon Christmas. White tree, Santa is here. Santa coming for cake. Cheese. Peter, what the loan there? Moon, where's my cake? Why Moon like this? These are blinging. Guys, these are real diamonds. Guys, real diamond. You know, yearly, every year, I have to always, yeah. So every year, you know, I have to turn up at Mun doorstep to the Christmas cake, guys. You know, see the face.
I am tired.
Yes, but I like this. What's the Chanel? Coco Chanel. Pure diamond. Or cake business are going on a pure diamond in our house now. Guys, I don't always when I watch this, we always talk about Mun kitchen, how lovely it is. How nice it is.
I'm so tired.
She's tired of baking so many cakes. These are the Christmas cake. If you don't put it in the order yet, you don't just get left. So guys, I'm sorry take me so long for coming on here, so I could have so go on and put it in the order from early. Even though it's never too late for a shower of rain. Right, so I still can put it in the order for the Christmas fruit cake. Right, Mun for the Christmas fruit cake. So Mun, if anyone watching on their local or want to help out someone with a cake, you know the thing, I give them the contact number for them can contact you.
So my contact number is 327-8848.
So it's 1-876-327-8848. So yes, so you can contact her for cake and she do ship cake overseas, right? Yes. Last time I said cake overseas, right? Yeah. So guys, so last time we have a viewer who ordered some cake for it to send all the way to the UK and it reached okay, right?
Yes, it did.
Never have no problem. So we have the fruit cake, we have the, what size is this?
The big one.
This is the large one, right? And this is the small.
Yeah.
So the price is for the bigger one is $3,000 and this is $2,000. So you have 3,000 and 2,000. So I know the thing, if you don't want any cake to ship over, all you have to pay for the shipping price, right? And then you get in a cake out on the door, knocking. But if you're here in Jamaica, you want to buy a cake for your family, you know, you can call her and you can do the thing through the Western Union and make it work, you know, and she can probably deliver no matter, think maybe how far them is, right? Because she not go too far out of Kingston, but in Kingston, guaranteed. So guys, so tell me, lovely, right? Okay. So I'll take a small one, you know, you keep them and say, come eat cake. You know, can I give me like a cut for them go eat? Okay, you know, I feel always support the thing. You know, it goes already. You know, so this is the wine.
Yeah.
So you put some wine on it. We junk them off. You know, some Christmas wine, make them junk. You know, that's the only time you drink wine. Or you drink any alcohol. It's always when you're eating a Christmas cake. So my deal is clear right on the spot.
Thank you.
Here you go. Mun the cake lady. So guys, as I said, the contact number, you can contact her. You know, as you can see how the kitchen clean, so you know, so the food clean, cake clean. You know, cleansing it. So the egg then there, ready. So you're making more cake, right?
Yeah, I'm
really you're tired?
Yeah, because to me I clean too, that's why. But I'm not finished yet.
That's how you go, man. When you come on to Christmas at the hardest time, when you come on to clean.
But I have to be.
Yes, I have to do it. Peter, show me a borrow the loan for me, I'm run gone. So I can't live with the husband in a month. I borrow a little loan, I'm run gone. But guys, see it here, pure diamond. Pure diamond, yeah. Alright, Mun. Yeah, man, so we'll give time, guys. So here we go. White Christmas tree. Not green, snow white. Rich boss, what the loan there? Say, plum here. Plum in your Adidas. Come no man, look how your heart. Say, plum here. One plum shocking out. Plum what happened for my Christmas? Give me. What I go on for my Christmas? Rich boss. Remember the loan, yeah? So, I try to borrow money from him. I know say if I'm a borrow, I'm supposed to can get though. Because I deserve it. Peter, come here, man. Alright, plumbing. Alright, then you go see me. Peter, come here, man. I don't want much, you know. Just let me something, man.
Why to your phone, man?
Guys, this is Esther brother, you know. Right? And that's his wife, Mun make the cake. So this is Esther brother, Peter. So that's why you have Peter and Esther. So welcome guys, meet Esther brother, Peter, from him born This man no spend money, man always a save. You know, the richest man in Trenchtown, Esther brother Peter. Peter, big up yourself.
Oh, big up.
All right then, living in style. So guys, that's Esther brother Peter. You know, Peter and Esther. So you know, say they grew up in a Christian family. You know, Esther and her brother. So the mom is a pastor. You know, the whole family is a Christian. So that's why they get Peter and Esther from the Bible.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyrie Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.